Another dress that I made was using the Tilly and the Buttons Lyra pattern, that one there. Only I didn't do the frill at the bottom there. I did the whole thing, but I didn't do the frill. And it was using some fabric that I got from Vinted again. And I did something silly though. I shortened this waist a bit higher, because I thought, well, I'd done once before and I had made it shorter because my body's shorter. And I thought, right, I made it a bit higher. And I don't know, I felt like it was a little bit too high, but it still looked okay. But just because, you know, I just wasn't sure about it. But I will be wearing it. I've got the long sleeves. And have I got the long sleeves? I think I've got the long sleeves. Let me have a look and see if I've got the long sleeves. Yes, I've got the long sleeves. I do like it, and as I say, I did it without this bottom frill. I'm not a fan of the frill, so I just extended this top skirt, and again, because I'm short, I didn't need to do too much, and that was what I used for that. I'll also show you, I took some pictures of me wearing those Halara trousers that I got, the linen type trousers, just to let you see what they were like. I've grown to like them. I took the cuff bit off the bottom and I made them into ordinary straight trousers, and in fact that's what I wore nearly all holiday. I thought it was great to wear with t-shirts and with shirts and things, so I wore those most of the time. I've also bought another pattern which I caught my eye on, which is very similar to all the rest, and I just thought I quite fancy making this up. And it's a Butterick 6702, and that's it there. 6702, is that, can you see that there? And it's just like a shirt dress. I figured my figure has got a big bust and a big hip, and I go in at the waist, so I thought that might look quite nice. So I will get round sometime in the autumn to making that one as well. Anything else I want to tell you? Oh, you want to know? Well, you didn't want to know, but this is the dress that this one is based on, and this is from Lekala, where I put in my own measurements and they make it to fit me. And this one is the S4110 Summer dress with gathered skirt. This is my favourite, and I like it because it's my measurements as well, so that's been used over and over and over again. I have been getting a few Lekala patterns that I want to get round to making, and one of them is the one that I've done before, and a lady watched one of my old videos and she said, I love that Lekala dress that you made. What number was it? And when I thought, which one is she talking about? She's the one with the high neck. And I was trying to think which one she was talking about. So then I went back and looked at the video, and I thought, oh, that one. Oh, I remember. And in fact, I've still got it in my wardrobe. I'll see if I can get it out and take a picture of me wearing it. And I thought, that's lovely. So I then decided, right, I'm going to make another one of those in the winter. And that one was, she wanted to know what the number was. It was, the pattern was #4792, and that was the pattern. I'll put a picture up there. You can't really see it from my phone, but this was the pattern, and it really looks lovely on. And so I'm thinking, right, I'm going to make another one of those, and I've just got some fabric that I might make it from, so watch this space. So I think that's about it. I have got to put another vlog together on, I've already recorded it, but I haven't got around to putting it up, on the rest of the gadgets I like to have beside me when I'm sewing. And I think I'm going to stop there and let you get on, and I'm going to love you and leave you and catch you next time.